Okay, so let's talk about their personality. Everything we've seen says they're just incredibly sweet and calm.
Yeah, they're known for having this really calm and sweet disposition,
Hmm.
which is, I think, a big part of why they make such great companions. And it's not just that they're okay with being around people. They actually seem to really enjoy interacting with their human families.
So they actually like us.
It seems that way.
That's awesome. And it's not just about being in the same room, right? I was reading that they actually seek out physical affection. Like they actually want to cuddle and stuff.
Yeah, they're really affectionate.
Yeah.
Lots of cockatiels love being petted, especially on their head and neck, where those feathers are. And some of them, they actually do love to cuddle up with their owners.